So to understand an angle, we need basic tools, and that includes understanding what's the point, what's the line segment, what's the line, and what's the ray. Okay, these are the terms that we need to be very familiar with. First thing is points. Okay, the basic idea over here is a point determines a precise location. It has no length, no breadth, no height. It's generally denoted by a single capital letter Z or P or T or A or whatever. So how do we read it as point Z, point P, point T? Now, I would want to use a particular game actually. So we'll be doing this and you guys will also get to do this actually. So what we are looking at over here is, let me kind of, yeah. So what we're looking at here is a game. We have a turtle, we have a red square. We have to send the turtle to the red square. We have to give it instruction in terms of in what direction it is turning, how much it has to turn, how much it has to move, so on and so forth. So you can give the command over here and it will do the required. So in the entire chapter, we'll be using this. We need to avoid the black structure. So those are obstacles. And in this case, it's come out to be very simple. So let me kind of restart this. Here too, it's very simple. Bit better. So basically this turtle has to avoid this black structure. You can either go in this manner, go around and go to the red dot or red square, or go down and take a right and go up, so on and so forth. So first thing over here is we are trying to understand points. Okay. So let me just take the screenshot of this. Now, so the first question is to do with the program, this particular game. Identify several distinct objects on the game screen. So I will identify, let me take this, a turtle, then the obstacle and the goal. So those three, and a random point over here. I think 4 things I can identify. For each object, mark key points. So I'm going to mark here, say this is our goal. Then let me use some other color, green. I think I can go with this. Then the obstacle and the dot that I already marked. And label them clearly. So let's label them now. So I'll label it over here, A. Say this is turtle T. This is a black box. So I'll call it as B. And say this is a random point P. Okay, I'll call this as P. And label them clearly, right? Now, observe where the types of marking, observe whether, sorry, not where. Observe whether the types of marking differ based on the object. No, actually, just I marked it as dots and marked it as, then labeled it. Is there any difference in my marking, as in, is there a difference in my dots? Yes or no? No, right? Other than the color, if not, there's nothing much different. Right? I am able to consistently keep the size of the circle as in the dot. And the labeling is different. If not, pretty much everything is the same. Right? No.